Pagani spends more time making one bolt than some companies spend building an entire engine.
While most factories chase speed, Pagani slows everything down. Every suspension arm is polished by hand until it looks like jewelry. No robot knows how this leather should feel.
For Pagani, carbon fiber isn't just strong, it's beautiful. Horacio Pagani always believed a hypercar should be built like a Swiss watch.
Every bolt has a purpose. Every surface tells a story. This isn't just transportation. It's a mechanical masterpiece that generations will admire.
But every masterpiece begins with a student. Before Pagani built his own cars, he worked inside Lamborghini. He believed carbon fiber wasn't just lighter, it was the future. But almost nobody around him agreed. Carbon fiber was expensive, difficult to work with, and almost unheard of in road cars. But he believed perfection was worth every challenge. But revolutionary ideas are often rejected first. His vision of building entire cars from carbon fiber simply wasn't accepted. Instead of giving up, he made a decision that would change automotive history. If no one believed in his vision, he would build it himself. His first vision wasn't about building the fastest car. It was about creating something timeless, where every curve had a purpose. Most manufacturers saw carbon fiber as a lightweight material. He saw it as a work of principles. To him, a hypercar wasn't just a machine. It was a mechanical masterpiece, just like a Swiss watch. Engines. Open the door, and you don't step into a cockpit, you step into a work of art. Every switch, every power was never the only goal. Every engine was treated like a masterpiece, assembled with patience, precision, and an obsession for perfection. When the road finally calls, all those months of craftsmanship come together. The precision isn't just something you see, it's something you feel in every corner. Beauty alone wasn't enough. Every curve had to earn its place. The air itself became another engineer, shaping a machine where elegance and performance work together. That's why a Pagani is never judged by horsepower alone. Long after faster cars are forgotten, true craftsmanship remains timeless. Luxury isn't measured by expensive materials. It's measured by the care invested in every single detail. At Pagani, perfection is never accidental. Before a single component becomes part of the car, it's inspected by hand. Because perfection isn't assumed, it's verified. Most manufacturers hide their engineering beneath plastic covers. Here, even the parts you'll never see are designed to be admired. Nothing begins as a finished masterpiece. Every elegant component starts as a simple block of metal, shaped with extraordinary precision until engineering becomes art. It's Before it ever meets its owner, every surface is examined one final time. Nothing leaves the workshop until every true performance isn't about making the loudest statement. It's about creating absolute confidence between the driver, the machine, and the road. Owning one of these machines isn't simply buying a car. It's becoming the next guardian of hundreds of hours of craftsmanship, precision, and passion. The moment the engine starts, hundreds of handcrafted components begin working together as one. Precision. For Horacio, inspiration never came from other cars. It came from master warrant. Every line, every material, and every handcrafted component has been leading to this single moment. A machine that doesn't. Long before a single part is machined, every Pagani begins as an idea. Not a specification sheet, but a vision. Technology may help shape the vision, but it never replaces the human eye. Every curve is refined until it feels alive. Great craftsmanship begins long before assembly. Every component is created with the same patience, precision, and attention to detail that defines the finished machine. Every component has its place. Every bolt has a purpose. Nothing is hidden to save time. Everything is finished. Before the road ever judges it, every system is tested with relentless precision. Excellence isn't assumed. In the end, perfection isn't measured by speed. It's measured by the pride of the people who built it, one handcrafted detail at a time. Some cars are remembered for breaking records. Others are remembered for how they made people feel. The greatest creations don't end with the people who build them. They inspire the next generation to dream even bigger. The strongest foundation isn't always the heaviest. It's the one engineered with purpose, where every gram serves a limit. Months of design, engineering, and craftsmanship lead to this moment. The first drive isn't just a test. When the final detail finds its place, something remarkable happens. It stops being a collection of parts. The destination was never simply to build a fast car. It was to create an experience that stays with you long after the journey ends. Every masterpiece begins with a single idea, and every finished creation becomes the inspiration for the one that follows. True craftsmanship isn't measured by speed alone. It's measured by the passion behind every decision.
Every masterpiece begins with a dream.